Hey, Lisa Harris here, and I am happy to show you this happening place on Hayes. It is hopping with amenities. I'm on a corner lot, over 6 acres, and a 30 by 40 shop. Take a look.
Escape to the tranquil beauty of Tascosa Hills with this charming barndominium set on over 6 acres of picturesque countryside. Enjoy the convenience of covered RV storage, along with the added bonus of a 30 by 40 workshop for your creative endeavors. With vast areas to explore and room to roam, this property is an outdoor enthusiast dream. Located within the esteemed Bushland School District, it offers the perfect combination of rural serenity and educational excellence for those seeking a peaceful yet convenient lifestyle. Welcome home to your idyllic retreat amidst the rolling hills and natural splendor of Tascosa Hills.
You better hurry and hop on over here to this home on Hayes. I am happy to help you. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.